Americans have a do-it-yourself attitude. If something can be done by somebody else, we can do it better, right? So we want to take care of it ourselves. We like to do things like trade stocks, a full-time job for professionals. We still think we can do better, and that's just how it is. But if you look at the statistics, your best bet is to buy into the S&P 500, Standard & Poor's index of 500 of the biggest companies in the country, weighted based on size so that you have an even distribution of money across all different sectors. The strongest ones, the best companies, and they rotate out companies that are starting to fail and rotate in new up-and-coming companies that have proven themselves worthy of being in the S&P 500. So they do a lot of work for you, work you actually couldn't do unless you were investing millions of dollars. So you can take your money and you can invest in an S&P 500 index fund and be getting the same benefits of the incredible growth that S&P has shown over the last 100 years. Without fail, you're going to make more money than if you did the investing on your own.